Hey creative weirdos! I'm so glad you're here because today we're diving into one of my favorite topics, making your home feel like $1,000,000 without actually spending it. If you've ever looked at those dreamy bathrooms on Pinterest or in magazines and thought, wow, I wish I could have that, you're in the right place. Welcome back to the channel, where every corner of your home deserves a little magic, especially the bathroom. This is the space where you start and end your day, so why not make it feel special? Even if you're working with a tiny budget, you can create a spa-like retreat that feels luxurious and inviting. Today, I'm showing you how to turn your bathroom from blah to ooh la la with 13 luxe-looking upgrades that look expensive but are totally budget-friendly. From swapping out old hardware to adding a splash of greenery, these ideas are all about maximum impact with minimal effort and cost. You'll be amazed at how a few thoughtful touches, like a new shower curtain, some stylish storage, or even just a fresh coat of paint, can completely transform the vibe of your bathroom. Bathrooms are perfect for quick, high-impact transformations. Even small changes go a long way, and you can do these in a single weekend. Whether you rent or own, these upgrades are totally doable and won't break the bank. Think peel and stick tiles, chic mirrors, or even just organizing your countertop with pretty trays and baskets. So, grab your toolkit and let's get inspired. No renovation skills required, just a dash of creativity. By the end of this video, you'll have all the tips and tricks you need to give your bathroom a luxe makeover for pennies. Let's jump in and make your bathroom the envy of all your guests. Let's start with a game changer, framing that plain builder-grade mirror. Add a frame, store-bought or DIY with molding, and you'll instantly get a custom, high-end look. It's renter-friendly, easy to install, and makes your mirror look like art. Play with finishes, metallic, rustic wood, or a bold color. For under $50 and a couple hours, you'll totally transform your bathroom's vibe. Lighting is everything. It's the secret ingredient that can completely transform the look and feel of your bathroom. Whether you're getting ready for the day or winding down at night, the right lighting sets the mood and makes every moment feel special. Think about how different your space looks in the morning sun versus under harsh artificial lights. Lighting truly changes everything. One of the easiest ways to refresh your bathroom is by swapping out those old, outdated fixtures for something new and stylish. Choose modern or vintage-inspired designs in finishes like brass or matte black to instantly elevate your space. These finishes not only look chic, but also add a touch of personality and sophistication, making your bathroom feel thoughtfully designed. Don't forget about the bulbs. Upgrading to warm white LED bulbs can make a world of difference. They cast a softer, more flattering glow that enhances your skin tone and creates a welcoming atmosphere. Say goodbye to that harsh, unflattering zombie lighting, and hello to a bathroom that makes you look and feel your best every day. Even small changes, like simply replacing your bulbs or adding plug-in wall sconces, can work wonders. Wall sconces are perfect for adding layers of light and can be installed without any hard wiring, making them a renter-friendly upgrade. These little tweaks can dramatically improve both the functionality and the vibe of your bathroom. With the right lighting, your bathroom can feel just like a boutique hotel. Elegant, inviting, and luxurious. Imagine stepping into a space that feels curated and calming every single day. It's all about creating an experience, not just a room. So ditch those harsh overhead lights and bring in some cozy ambience. Layer your lighting with dimmable fixtures, soft glow bulbs, and accent lights to create a relaxing retreat. The right lighting doesn't just illuminate your bathroom, it loves you back, making every moment spent there a little brighter and a lot more beautiful. Never underestimate the power of a shower curtain. This simple accessory can completely transform the look and feel of your bathroom, turning an ordinary space into a stylish retreat. Whether you're working with a compact apartment bathroom or a spacious master suite, the right shower curtain can set the tone for the entire room. It's one of the easiest ways to refresh your space without a major renovation or breaking the bank. Choose one with a weighted hem for a tailored, hotel-like finish. The added weight helps the curtain hang straight and prevents it from billowing, giving your bathroom a polished, upscale vibe. Look for details like metal grommets or reinforced stitching for extra durability and a touch of luxury. Go for classic patterns like stripes or subtle geometrics for timeless appeal. Rich solids for a sophisticated look, or bold prints in thick textured fabrics like cotton or linen blends to make a statement. Don't be afraid to play with color. Deep blues, emerald greens, or even blush pinks can add personality and warmth. Layer with a double rod for depth and style. Use a sheer liner for practicality and a decorative outer curtain for visual interest. This not only adds dimension, but also gives you the flexibility to mix and match patterns or textures, creating a custom designer look. Swapping your curtain takes just minutes but delivers maximum impact. It's a quick, affordable update that can instantly refresh your bathroom's atmosphere, making it feel cleaner, brighter, and more inviting. It's an upgrade that'll make you smile every time you step in. With just a small change, you can create a space that feels brand new, proof that even the simplest details can make a big difference in your daily routine. Swap out plastic towel bars and hooks for hardware in brushed brass matte black or another modern finish. Cohesive sets make your space feel intentional and curated. Renters, try over-the-door or peel and stick options. Instantly, your bathroom feels modern and a little bit bougie, without the price tag. Corral countertop clutter with a small tray or dish for your essentials. Choose marble, wood, or a colorful ceramic, whatever fits your style. Grouping items on a tray makes everything look organized and intentional. It's a tiny change that makes your bathroom feel instantly more put together. Dingy grout? A deep clean or a grout pen can make old tile look brand new. Bright white or dark grout colors both work. Choose what fits your style. Clean grout makes your tiles pop and the whole room feel fresher. Sometimes the most dramatic transformations cost just a few dollars and a bit of effort. Want a new floor without demo? Peel and stick tiles are your best friend, perfect for renters or commitment phobes. Choose from endless designs and stick them right over your old floor. No special tools, no mess, just a utility knife and an afternoon. Your floor becomes a design feature, not an afterthought. Affordable, renter-friendly, and high impact. Total game changer. Bathrooms deserve art too. Add wall art or framed prints for instant personality. Use printables, thrifted frames, or your own photos, whatever makes you happy. Hang art at eye level and don't be afraid to go bold. Art is a quick, affordable way to make your bathroom feel finished and uniquely yours. Mismatched soap bottles. Invest in matching dispensers. Glass, ceramic, or sleek plastic. Decant your soap and lotion for a high-end, intentional look. Matching sets pull your whole look together and are eco-friendly too. It's a tiny upgrade that makes your bathroom feel polished. Fresh, fluffy towels in a cohesive color palette instantly say spa day. Hang, fold, or roll them for that luxury hotel vibe. Towels are an affordable investment you'll enjoy every day. A towel refresh is an easy way to treat yourself and upgrade your bathroom. Add a small plant or quality faux greenery to bring life and freshness to your bathroom. Choose humidity-loving plants like pothos or snake plants, or go faux if light is low. Place them on the counter, a shelf, or hang for a boho touch. Greenery makes your bathroom feel brighter, cleaner, and more inviting. Upgrade your wastebasket to something stylish, woven, metallic, or modern shapes. It's a tiny detail that ties your whole look together. Add a matching toilet brush holder or lidded bin for a streamlined vibe. Thoughtful details, even where you toss your tissues, make a difference. Swap out an old toilet seat for a new, slow-close one in crisp white or a matching color. Installation is easy and instantly makes your bathroom feel cleaner and newer. Soft close and antimicrobial options add comfort and hygiene. Sometimes the smallest changes make the biggest difference. There you have it. 13 luxe-looking upgrades you can tackle this weekend, even on a tight budget. Pick a few and have fun. Every little detail adds up to a bathroom you'll love. Your dream bathroom is just a DIY afternoon away. Share your results in the comments and subscribe for more creative home transformations. Until next time, keep making your space uniquely you.